pick up in Australia. Yeah, it's very quiet, it's a very hidden scene.
I think there's a lot of dust collectors in people's sheds, but yeah, as long as they're not going to scrap, that's always good.
With all that technology and information, everything's just getting bigger, larger, and like badass.
The guys that start out with a mini truck finish with a mini truck. They don't build a mini truck and then want to build a hot rod. It's like they're two different things.
That's how I became in No Regrets Australia, and ever since then the people I've met along the way, even within the club and other clubs and everything's been pretty good. I got mates that I'll have for a lifetime from it.